Rishita, and in today's video we are going to be trying this look. Actually we are going to create this look from the starting till the end, and yes, मैं ये पूरा वीडियो मतलब बनाने के बाद में इंट्रो शूट कर रही हूँ इस वजह से, but okay, you're gonna have lots of fun and see me creating this look. So keep on watching till the end, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel before you continue watching the video. Okay, so yes, let's just get started. Before beginning up, there is a disclaimer, guys. I'm not a makeup professional. I just love trying new things on my face, and I do love makeup. I think like I have started loving it, but okay, whatever, I don't know. In today's video I'm going to be sharing that look, this look which I created. So follow the steps to get this look. Okay, so the first thing that comes up before applying anything over your face is primer. प्राइमर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, इसको कभी मिस मत करना, क्योंकि प्राइमर हमारे मेकअप और स्किन के बीच में एक लेयर होती है जो कि हमारे स्किन को प्रोटेक्ट करती है मेकअप आइटम्स और इन सब से जो भी हमारे चेहरे पे लगाते हैं. ओके, सो डोंट मिस प्राइमर. ओके, आई एम गोना टेक लाइक अ वेरी छोटा अमाउंट, नॉट टू मच, होगा भी नहीं इसमें, बहुत यूज़ कर लिया मैंने इसको, बस इतना सा काफ़ी है. Okay, I guess we are done with this. Done. First step is done. The next step is foundation, obviously. So for foundation I have Fit Me's, which shade is this? 115 Ivory. That suits my skin, like my skin tone. So I'm going to take not too much but थोड़ा सा ही. So पहले इसको हाथ पे लगा के देख लेते हैं थोड़ा सा, ताकि हमारे फेस पर हम इसको इवनली ले लें, ज़्यादा नहीं, just a bit one. Okay, whatever it's left out, just spread it. So guys, we're done with the base. I hope something is looking like I've put something on my face. The next thing that we can, or we have to or not, I don't feel like putting any concealer over it, but okay, थोड़ा सा लगा के देख लेते हैं क्या जा रहा है. So I have two concealers. One is by Nykaa. This one is a stick one, like okay, I'll show you how it is. It's like this, and the next one is like a liquid one. It's almost over. It's by Swiss Beauty. Yes. Okay. I take like itna sa. I know we have to apply it like this, but I put it over my finger first and then I apply it. I don't know why, but yeah, I do it. और मुझे लिक्विड कंसीलर की अब ज़रूरत नहीं लग रही कि मुझे लगाना चाहिए, सो आई एम एक्चुअली अवॉइडिंग इट, और एक्चुअली मेरा ख़त्म हो चुका है, मुझे मंगवाना पड़ेगा. एंड द थर्ड स्टेप फॉर द मेकअप इज, आई गेस इट्स गोना बी द फोर्थ वन. इट्स पाउडर. अप्लाई अ लिटिल बिट वन. ओके, डोंट गो बहुत ज़्यादा वाला. इट कम्स विद एन एप्लीकेटर बट आई डोंट यूज़ इट. आई हैव दिस ब्रश टू यूज़ इट. दैट्स ऑल्सो अ वेरी लिटिल वन. ओके, I like the touch of this brush a lot. I don't know why. Fine, I guess that's done. Now comes contour. To be honest, I don't have ever tried contouring. I don't know how it even actually goes, so we are gonna avoid that. So we are done with the base, and now comes the actual makeup stuff that we're gonna put to glitter our face. So for that, I'm gonna go with the eyes first, and then cheeks, and then highlighter at the end, and then whatever. We'll just look into it. But the first step is applying a cream eyeshadow, which I have. It's by ELF. It has two shades only, and I know it's very empty because I use that shade a lot. And I'm not even getting it on Nykaa, Amazon, anywhere. I don't know where should I get this from again. But okay, we're gonna apply this one. Which one? This one or this one? I guess for my dress, which I'm gonna be wearing, this one would go again. खत्म ही हो गया, तो ठीक है, थोड़ा अप्लाई कर ही लेते हैं. So guys, I think we are done. It looks so pretty and glittery. I love this glittery look a lot. And And now comes the most trickiest part, which is applying eyeliner. I'm too bad at it. I don't know how even I am at it. But okay, this one is by Swiss Beauty. Is it by Swiss Beauty? Yes, this one is by Swiss Beauty. I also have another liner which is by Nykaa. ये खत्म हो चुका है शायद, थोड़ा थोड़ा सा है, but okay, both are good. I'll link all of the products in the description box so you can check that out, except that ELF eyeshadow because I don't have its link even. मैं कभी सेम आईलाइनर दोनों आंखों पे नहीं लगा पाती हूँ. I don't know why. And those girls who can put that equally to you both of your eyes, you're amazing. Focus.
A few moments later.
Ta-da! I'm done with the eyeliner. I hope it's looking good and equal. Next thing that we're gonna put is mascara to complete our eye part, and then we're gonna come down with the cheeks. Okay. So I have again Maybelline's the Hyper Girl waterproof mascara. So guys, we are done with this mascara part also. I did a bit here again क्योंकि वो दिख भी नहीं रहा था, मैंने कुछ लगाया है. बट ठीक है, मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ही आईलाइनर लगा लिया, इस वजह से वो शो नहीं कर रहा. एंड फॉर आईब्रोज मैं कुछ यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ, मैं आईब्रोज को बस ब्रश कर लेती हूँ, बस हो गया काम खत्म. इज ऑलवेज फाइन राइट. सो आई जस्ट comb them in a upper circular motion to give them a good shape. That's all. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, we are done with this. Now comes blush. So for blush, I do the most weirdest thing, that is I have this Lakme's shade, this lipstick one. I put this, oh god, I guess it's broken. I put it like this, thoda sa, and then I mix a bit of foundation, thoda sa, chotu sa, just ittu sa foundation on it, and then I just mix it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just press it over my face like this. We are done with the blush. Now I don't have to use any applicator, nothing. We are just done. And now comes lips. So for lips, I'm actually damn confused which lipstick should I apply. So let me just figure it out. I do have this pink lipstick. It's by CP. So I'm gonna put that. Yeah, I guess that's fine. And the last thing to cover up this entire makeup is highlighter. So guys, we are done with this makeup look. Now comes dressing up for Raksha Bandhan. So we are gonna go get dressed up and then we're gonna make our hairstyle and then this look would be complete. So guys, I am just dressed up. I'm gonna show you the entire look. Just wait for a while. But now we have to make our hair, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. So let's just think and then I'll be back. Promise pakka. So guys, we are done with the hairstyle. मैंने pony बना ली normal सी. And if you want guys, like अगर तुम ऐसा look create कर रहे हो, तुम्हारे वाले मेरे जैसे छोटे हैं, तो तुम इसके ऊपर एक क्लचर भी लगा सकते हो. मुझे क्लचर लगाना तो कुछ ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है, तो मैं क्लचर नहीं लगाने वाली, मैं इसको ऐसे रखूँगी. Now comes ornaments. So for ornaments, I love this part a lot, trust me. So for ornaments, I'm gonna put this छोटू सा ये. I like it. इसका जो fall है ना, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. I don't know what to call it, but हाँ. That's fine. Like this. And I'm gonna add, like, I do have a silver thing like here in the bottoms, so I'm gonna put some metallic kada. I know it's gonna give a look, kind of funky look, so yeah, that's all. I do have 2 kadas, so I'm gonna put them. I'm loving it. I don't know why, but it's so pretty. Now comes earrings. So for earrings, I'm gonna go with again a metallic look. These are my go-to earrings. I love them a lot. Like jhumkis. मैं कान में ज़्यादा कुछ पहनती नहीं हूँ, तो मुझे लग रहा है मेरे कान के जो होल्स हैं वो बंद ना हो गए हो. आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग। क्या है, बंद हो गया? नहीं यार, नहीं ये बंद नहीं हुए। कान काफ़ी लाल हो जाते हैं। ओके, आई हैव टू टेक दिस बाली ऑफ। आई एक्चुअली वेयर एक कान में, दूसरे कान में मुझे पहनना नहीं पसंद। आई कीप ऑन स्विचिंग दैट सिंगल बाली दोनों कानों में। दैट्स वियर्ड, आई नो। डू यू थिंक दैट्स वियर्ड? आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स वियर्ड। दैट्स गुड फॉर मी। आई लव इट। व्हाई एम आई सो कंफ्यूज्ड? We are done with the earrings. Now, my favorite part, it's rings. I do have, a lot of rings in here. मेरा मन करे तो मैं साड़ी पहन के घूमूं, पर जोकर लगूंगी, I know. So, I'm gonna go with this ring. It has a silver or something like grayish color का pearl है, and then we have diamonds all around it. So I love this. I'm gonna put that one earring दूसरे हाथ में. And एक और, पक्का एक और. The next one, I actually love wearing ruby, so the next one is by this. It has a ruby and I do have pink, so I'm gonna wear that in another hand like this. That's fine. ये दोनों इसी फिंगर में फिट होती है. मुझे बाकी सारी रिंग्स मतलब बाकी फिंगर्स में थोड़ी थोड़ी ढीली हैं, तो हाँ बस काफ़ी है ये. So yes, we are done with the rings. एक और पहन लूँ पक्का. हाँ यार, एक और, बस ये लास्ट होगा पक्का से. Perfect. No more rings, Rishi. It's fine. I have bangles like these kadas, earrings, and jhumkis. What else is missing? Can you detect it? Guess it. I'm waiting for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3. It's bindi. Let's just put some bindi and complete this entire look. And so for my bindi, I'm just gonna do. I've taken a liner. I'm gonna put a dot. That's all. I don't know, for every look, a black bindi is like a statement to your entire attire, your makeup, everything. I love putting bindis, trust me. So again, focus. Can you see this? I love a small one, but yeah, this is cool. And yes, my look is complete. So guys, I hope you liked the video, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and अब तो subscribe कर दो यार, चलो जल्दी subscribe करो. And see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you. Bye bye.